Hello, welcome to the video series for evaluating expressions. In letter A, B, C, and D, we're going to look at replacing the letter with a given number and then multiplying, adding, and subtracting. In letter A, it says 5a minus b, and it needs to be read as 5 times a minus b. So this expression should be 5 times a, because whenever I have a number next to a variable, it means to multiply. Multiply. And the way I'm going to replace these is, since a is 4, I'm going to write it as 5 times 4 minus 9. And now I need to follow my order of operations. I don't have any parentheses, I don't have any exponents, but I do have multiply, so I need to multiply first. 5 times 4 is 20, minus 9, so 20 minus 9 equals 11. And that's how it works. You just replace your variables and you follow the order of operations. So for letter B, it says m plus 6 times n. So we need to think 6 times n. When I replace my m and my n, m is 5, so it'll be 5 plus 6 times the value of n, which was 4. 5, and then I have to follow order of operations. So parentheses, exponent, multiply, divide, add, subtract. I don't have either of these, but I do have multiply, so I have to multiply first. It's going to be 5 plus 6 times 4 is 24. So that one's out of the way. I do not have divide, but I do have add, so I have to add them together. 5 plus 24 is 29. And I don't have any subtract, so I'm done. Let's look at these formulas. Letter C says use the equation below to find v. If u equals 12, a equals 9, and t equals 4. So this is asking us to say the value of v for u equals a times t. This is a times t. So when I rewrite it, I will say v equals the value of u, which is 12, plus a, which is 9, times t, which equals 4. Now I need to follow my order of operations, parentheses and brackets, exponents, multiply, divide, add, or subtract. I don't have any parentheses or exponents, but I do have multiply, so I need to multiply first. And 9 times 4 gives me 36. And then my 12 stays, and then I have v. So my multiply is done. I don't have any division, but I do have addition, which I have to do next. 12 plus 36 is 48. So v equals 48. And I don't have any subtraction, so I'm done. Let's look at the next one. D equals y equals m times x minus b. This needs to be thought of as m times x. The values of the letters m equals 4, x equals 8, and b equals 12. So I will say y equals 4, x is 8, so 4 times 8, minus b, which is 12. Remember, we need to follow order of operations, parentheses and brackets, exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract. Again, I don't have any parentheses or exponents, but I do have multiply. 4 times 8 is 32, minus 12. I don't have any divide. I don't have addition, but I do have subtraction I need to follow. 32 minus 12 is 20, so y equals 20. So just remember, guys, Replace the variable with the given letter and follow your order of operations.